So today's our topic is means success in the correct. Yes. So the even according to me, the my first sentence is practice is the most important for the success because besides practice our success is incomplete and besides success also our life is incomplete because everyone have the one achievement or one our goal and that goal is equal to success. So what can you say?
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you. So firstly, myself, Usha More, and our topic, which is a correct direction of a success. So I think that in our life, so brothers to us, practice is the best direction for us, but as well as our motivational power, which person give to us, it's also important because in our success so much difficulties we are faced. So I think that for getting the solutions for that, first set out our motivational means to us. It's most important. So what do you say?
Yes, I'm totally agree with you, Usha. Firstly, great afternoon, all of you. Myself, Khushi Yashwanta Valurkar. I belong to Isapur. Now, this time I am AD English Medium classes college student. Now, not only AD sir, but also Dr. sir also college student now. So, today's topic is why the important is success, success, correct direction in success. So, according to me, direction is the most important because your direction perfect, so your success is achievement. And achievement is the most important, and that is the achievement to your success. And your success is most important, and time management is the most important. And then your you also MPSC UPSC student, so you are also success value. So many times this success is most important in our jobs and your career. So what can you say about?
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you. Personally, I agree with myself Bhakti Patkar. And now we are discussing about topic. What is the correct direction about to get the success? We everyone present here, everyone have many goals. Means anyone have the many other types of goals. Means to complete that goals means we success in our life. To success, the many type of correct direction are present. Means he told that the practice and you told that the best motivational and if we do study at that time, if we do manage our time and we do study at that time, we must can achieve our goals and we can succeed in our life. Means if we take the education at that time, how to about our goals we can do study and about our success how can we do study if we do study properly at that time we can must achieve our goals, we can succeed in our life. So what can you say about?
Yes, I totally appreciate you. Means you are the census is the lots of means lots of students you are coming here for getting a success. Like anyone have the dream of will be the APSC or IPS. Means this is the even different dreams. And when will you achieve our the dreams, that will be the real success. And for the but is the if the success is a few sentence means the few words, but behind that our all word is depending only the in only success because success is not can get any from some monies because if time money will become or gone, but success is just only one word.
Means we think that the success is the small word, but in our life it is the biggest thing for us. Means from child to the end, we make a one goals for achieving that goal. We do the many things. Means now we are taking the education. It is the most big thing for us. Sometimes when we are doing something, next time our focusing power is also very stressful because sometimes we are doing one thing but in our mind doing so much things. So sometimes it's very bad for us because when we are doing a study and
And the guidance is the also important in everybody because the good direction you also success fastly.
yeah.
And the good is not only good direction but our also family support is also
Yes,
important
family
for
support is the most important.
us. Yes.
Family success.
Also, our family have the experience. They told us most about our success, how to achieve our goals, and the many other things our family told us. because they have
Sometimes our consequences lose, so they are support to us and they are favor to us to get and to
You can do it, you can do
but
it.
some
That
student parents don't support to them means just if we are interested in any another thing but our parents told that we should not do that thing means at that time we have the support we can do that thing properly but
so
if
that time many students will lose that confidence.
yeah means if we our family don't support at that time we can't achieve our goal means if we are means at that time we have the tension of our family means what our family will told us at that time we can't achieve our goals means if we achieve the goals our family support is most important
so and sometimes we are facing all of the things but some of the inners have a bad hobbies as like to never game on the phone and you are into of the enjoyment. Yeah, it's a right to get a enjoy
So
in our life
as
as
well
well
as
as
surrounding friends is the most important because the surrounding friends is the most so you will be achieve that for success because your friends is also tell us कि,
so you make
so
a
that
good friends in your life because friends is a bad things also
your friends bad habits so you also bad direction.
Yes, and means I want to say that for getting the success, the some means our friends or our family support, even our time management,
And
this
guidance.
is also means these all things is very important for us because when we will follow this some things, so at that time we will 100% get our success.
means not only from the study what we study but also by playing we can also successful person in our life just you had told that if we should not do more and more playing but in from the playing we can also make a one successful person in our life
by your goal.
For
What is on that? Means your goal is to become cricketer. So you play. Means your goal is to make a to crack a UPSC. So you are because studies around that.
That is important is your find your goals.
Yeah.
Goals is important because you try that any more things.
And according to me, the success is not only just like if I am coming the some exam merits or beings. This is not success. Means by the account of me, if we completed in our life means when we will just settle in our life, so that will be the real success.
means many times we fail in the any type of exam but we should do trial and trial again and again means if we try we must can crack that exam and pass in that exam means
Your
we
try is most important.
yeah
Because
you are practicing.
That after the trial they are can't be do. Means they are think it's not for us. Means it's very bad for us and of course we by that we get a very bad
Yes.
in our life.
And so lastly, we want to suggest you means the success is very 100% or the main words in our life. And for getting success, we are coming everyone here. So this is enough for to us, and that's all.